When I was just a girl, I learned about the stars, the pictures in the sky you could make when you traced them. And each and every night I went into the yard, I sought to find them all. I didn't want to waste them, but now that I have grown, I see them less and less. The city lights outshine their humble glow, but from my aeroplane, the pictures on the ground